Hello everyone, this is Joe again. Thank you for watching this video. If this video benefits you, please do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now in this video, we are going to talk about growing a Facebook page. Yes, I know today's video is different from the usual sales topic that I usually talk about, but because someone asked me about growing a Facebook page and I thought it is relevant to business as a whole as well. So let's talk about it. First of all, I'm not a Facebook marketing expert. There are many other experts, gurus out there in terms of Facebook marketing, and I'm not one of them. Boo! Okay, don't boo me, but I do know some fundamentals about Facebook page, and I'm going to share this with you just like I shared it with the person who asked me about growing a Facebook page. So these are my thoughts. First of all, you need to understand what is the purpose of a Facebook page from Facebook perspective. Yeah, not from your perspective, but Facebook perspective. Facebook pages is the cash cow of Facebook, not your cash cow, but cash cow of Facebook. Understand this, Facebook pages are revenue generators for Facebook. And if Facebook pages are revenue generators for Facebook, then who is giving that revenue? The answer is you. You advertise on Facebook through the Facebook pages. If Facebook pages is the revenue generator of Facebook, meaning to say they want you to advertise. As a company, Facebook would love you to advertise as much as you can on the platform via the Facebook pages. So how do they do that? How do they get you to advertise with them through your pages? Very simple strategy. Lower the outreach per post. Meaning to say every post that you post on your pages, probably 1% or less than 1%, I don't know the number. Probably some marketing expert can share this insight with us. But as they lower the outreach per post, you have no choice but to advertise so that your posts get to be seen by more people. You get that? I think some entrepreneurs or solopreneurs, or they just started a business and they created a page, and they thought once they create a page, the traffic will come, the followers will come, the likes will come. The truth is, they will not come. Just like in the past, people mentioned that once you start a business, you open up a shop or you build a website, the traffic will flow, the customers will come in. It will not. Lots of marketing effort is required to bring in the traffic, the customers, your clients. That applies to Facebook page as well. You see, when you create a Facebook page, you got to bring in your traffic or your followers from somewhere. One of the ways is to advertise. You draw traffic to your page from the cold market. And of course, the other way it is from your personal profile, your friends who loves you and decide to share and help you to like your page. So the traffic, the likes must come from elsewhere to build your page. So please do not think that once you start a page and you constantly have posting up on a page, people will come. They will not. You got to go out there and bring the people into the page. And the second issue that I'll address about growing your page is posting. Many people think that if they are able to post information that's valuable, that's value added to the readers, that should be enough. Like, I want to share this with you. Sometimes those value added posts or articles or images are simply not enough, because some of these postings are written by a third party or are written by marketing executives hired by the companies. There's absolutely no engagement, no passion in the posting, in the writing itself. While you are reading it, you don't feel that there is a person, there's a personality, a voice behind the post. And if there isn't anybody behind the post, means you're not engaged. A very good example that I can share will be blogs. Now, blogs were the trend 10 years ago before social media took over. Now, when you read the different blogs, you are not just reading the posts or the articles. You are reading the person who is writing the blog. You are reading the thought, the feeling, the personality, the voice of this person. And that get you engaged. That get you enrolled into this person's world. Now, apply this to a Facebook post. It has to be enrolling, engaging, has a personality, has a voice behind the post. Now look at this post. It is presenting facts, it is presenting value, really good value and facts, benefits, but it is not talking to you. It is you don't feel a personality, a voice behind it. You probably see this like an advertisement or like in some magazines. You learn something from this post, but you won't be engaged, and most likely you will not comment and let alone share. Now in comparison, look at this post. It comes from a personal experience. It is like a friend speaking to you, and it's engaging. You can see a person behind this. It is written in a first person view. That's personality, that is voice. Now I'm going to go back to the first example, the post that was written from a third person view in a non-passionate way, and turn that into something that's more passionate, something from the personal experience, something from a first person perspective. So this is how I will write the post. This is how I will write it. So did you see that I have turned it into a personal experience? I've written it from a first person perspective, and I share it with a lot more convincing manner. It feels more like a story instead of just fact. Alright, so this is how you want to write your post to encourage more likes and comments. So if this video clears some doubts for you, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you are planning to start a Facebook page, do know that it is just more than starting a page. You got to bring in traffic from elsewhere, bringing your followers from external source into your Facebook page, and write in a way that's enrolling and engaging. Thank you for watching. See you the next time. Bye.